Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna look inside this house. We're doing an estimate video. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole house and we're gonna give them a price and then maybe we'll come back and do the job. But it's at the end of a road in the middle of nowhere, so we don't really know what we're getting ourselves into. So let's go check it out. All right guys, here is the deck. And as you can see, the whole top of this fell off. And they did give us a key code, but it looks like it's wide open, so we will see what we're getting ourselves into. And as you can see, this is an absolute disaster. Anybody there? I'd be amazed if somebody was in here. So I don't even know if I can walk on these. Look at that. They want us to clean everything out of here and rip out the carpets. Well, guess what? The carpets are disintegrated and the whole roof is coming down. So I'm gonna try this. This could be the last video I ever made if I don't make it out alive. So the joists are still okay enough to walk on, even though you can hear them cracking. You got some life right there. Plants growing through the ground of the house. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy. Dude, the whole ceiling's messed up. Yeah, I can't even get back there, like, no lie. I don't know how he got pictures of the inside of this. Yeah, I don't trust these ones.
Yeah, just come back. We can maybe walk through that.
Okay.
The other door.
This whole joist is just breaking. So yeah, online he wanted $85,000 for this. So I have no idea how he came up with that price, but it looks like this thing just needs to be destroyed. Like, I'm gonna give him a price, but I have no idea how we're even gonna attack this. Like, I'll just be shoveling through the joist of this thing. Like, this is absolutely nuts. So I'm gonna try to go around and see if I can get out any other view. I weigh about 300 pounds and I felt like these were breaking. So let's go check out the outside and we'll try to get some other views. So you can see right here, there's holes in the siding of this house that lead right inside. So let's go. Can you get in that side?
It's locked. It's a code.
I'll check. Hold on. What do you think of this house, Autumn?
I think they need to tear it down.
Yeah. Oh, she got in. All right. Well, this is absolutely screwed up. Like I said, there's new life for anything that's absolutely destroyed. There's your washer and dryer room.
Look at those cabinets.
God, look at this floor. How I'm not just sinking through this thing.
Absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, absolutely disgusting, guys. This house is screwed. Yeah, I can't even walk through here to show you, but I don't know how this happens. The roof just over time collapsed. But yeah, this is like dangerous to even walk past there. I'm gonna just try to look through windows and stuff. I can hear the ground breaking beneath my feet. Okay, let's go check out the outside. But leave a comment. What do you think, guys? This is crazy. This is real life. This is stuff we see. I mean, I've seen probably 3 or 4 houses this bad. Leave a comment, whatever you guys think, and we're gonna go check out the outside now. All right, guys, we're coming around the back of this beauty. It is on a 2-acre lot, which is nice at the end of the road, but I don't think there's any saving this house. There might be a crawl space down here. Don't even want to know what's down there. I'm not going in there, sorry. But let's check this out. This looks like an addition. There's something they have here, but it doesn't have any siding or anything, so actually it looks like the best part of the house though. But you can see they added on there. It's not up to code. They're in the middle of nowhere. Back there, there's a little carport. That looks nice. And a field. But yeah, right here you got another bunch of damage to the house. I'm just kind of watching for snakes and stuff. But look at that. There's a hole right in the side of this. So yeah, I don't even know where to begin with this house. Here's a trampoline. That's what happens when you just leave a trampoline unattended for, I think he said 15 or 20 years it's been. So I'm gonna see, maybe you can see inside here. Yep, this is one of the back rooms. It looks like there's a bedroom, the master. But yeah, absolutely messed up. And go check out this side of the house. Can you see inside there too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got an open window on this side. There's the bathtub. Scrub-a-rub-a-dub-dub. That is just absolutely crazy. This roof is messed up throughout the whole house. I mean, the amount of water damage, you can just smell the mold coming off of this thing. Don't forget to leave a comment, guys, and I'll go over what kind of price I'm going to give them, because this is absolutely insane. I mean, everything has to go. It's I have demoed some trailers in the past. We haven't done a house. Not sure if we're gonna have to pull permits or anything like that, but we'll just give them a price to clean it out, which is gonna be not even worth it. Look at right here, the whole wall is completely tore down. Yeah. This was a closet. Talk about open concept. Yeah, this is just mind-blowing, guys.
You think
I mean,
want to just tear the whole thing down?
Everything's got to go on this. The siding's all messed up. There's trees growing right up against it. The roof's all caved in. The joists are all rotted and damaged. You might be able to save the foundation, but that's about it. All right, well, let's check out the other parts of this property. I mean, the property itself isn't bad. There's, like I said, a couple acres, and you know, it's at the end of the road, but this house just needs to be destroyed. Right up there, you can see where the roof caved in a little bit, and you can see it's all got like a wave to it. Looks like they got a metal shed up here, so let's check this out too. All right, what do we got in here? Oh, this looks like the best part of the whole property right here. It's actually cleaned out. It's got bricks on the bottom. Nice metal shed. But yeah, here's another picture of the house. I'm gonna take a couple pictures of the house as well. This thing is absolutely messed up beyond belief. This guy called me and said he wanted a quote. So let's go over what kind of quote I'd give him. All right, guys, so after looking at this and talking to my wife about it, I'm gonna actually call the customer and ask how far they want to actually go with this, because as you can see, the siding's all totally messed up. The floors are all messed up. The ceilings are messed up. So, you know, they want me to actually give them a quote to clean it out, but we can't even safely get in there. So, you know, I might have to cut the joists or put down plywood and walk through as we go. So I'm gonna call the customer and just ask them, like, what exactly do you want to do with this? I mean, they wanted me to rip out the carpets originally, but the carpets are all rotted away and it's just subfloors that are rotted away. So I really am kind of not sure what to even charge at this point. So I'm gonna call him, get a better idea of exactly what he wants, or I might just have to give him a price to demo the whole thing. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Hey, how's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're over here at the property, but I'm just trying to figure out what exactly you want done here. Because I mean, the whole floors are all rotted. Everything's pretty much gone on it.
Okay, including the joists?
Yeah, a lot of the joists are so rotted. I mean, I couldn't even walk in there. So, okay. I mean, I almost think you need to just like demo it. I mean, there's nothing savable on it besides maybe the brick foundation.
Okay. If you do demo?
Yeah, we can do demo.
Okay. Give me an idea what it would take to take it out.
Yeah, because I mean, it would take forever. It would probably be just as much if I, you know, you just left you with the right. Studs in the frame. But I mean, it should have had a roof on it. Everything got destroyed on the inside.
Okay. It's just fine. I mean, this is just a property I've had for a long time, so
right.
I need to do one thing or the other. So at least I have somebody intelligent at the place to make the decision. So, so if you could just give me an idea what that would be, and in the demo, just make sure the demo includes leaving the electric where it's accessible. You know, so we can hook up. I could do another mobile home there or something.
Oh yeah, I mean, it'll all be to the ground, so I mean, they can just wire it in.
Okay, very good.
But yeah, we'll probably. I don't know if we'll be able to save that foundation, just because then you'll have to like scoop it out of there. It'd be better just to, you know, be able to pick it up and everything. So I'll give you a price and we'll go from there. And is there electricity running to this right now?
No.
Okay, that's what I figured. All right, sounds good. I'll get a price to you and we'll go from there.
Very good, sir. Thank you.
Yep, thanks. Have a good one. All right, guys, so instead of wasting my time and trying to figure out a price to just shovel all that, I mean, you guys saw it was literally just completely gone, and that's why I wanted to do a video on this, because this is the kind of stuff you can't even believe exists until you see it. But instead of wasting my time on that, I'm gonna just give them a price to destroy this whole house, take it all away, start fresh. I mean, it would be a nightmare trying to repair this thing. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is try to figure out a price to just demo the whole thing, and he wants us to leave the electrical and stuff, but it's all in the ground. I mean, we're gonna take all the electrical above ground and all the pipes and everything above ground. So we'll give him a price for that, and we'll see if he goes for it. And then if we demo this house, there'll be a video for that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you guys think this is absolutely insane, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it. And thanks for watching. As always, have a good one.